In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a decreasing follower count on Instagram. First, go into Instagram, then press the profile button on the bottom right. Now you can see here I have about 5 or so followers, and assuming that I had about 100, and that number drops to about 95 or 90 or something like that, that's pretty much natural since some people just choose to unfollow you since they probably just don't feel like following you anymore. If you see a sudden decrease in your follower count, however, then you can just check to see what content you published lately. Maybe it didn't really entertain or ring true for your followers. But if it's like a huge drop, like you use hundreds or thousands of followers overnight, then it's very likely that you had a bunch of fake followers and Instagram went through and deleted all of those fake bot accounts. What you can do is tap the three lines in the top right here, hop into settings, tap on help, and then you can see apps and websites over here. Now, if you go in here, make sure that there's no third-party app or website that might get you fake followers, since they'll likely be banned or deleted down the road, so make sure you get your followers organically by posting good content, and you wouldn't have to worry about seeing huge drops in your follower count. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.